With this referral code, you can earn up to $100. My name is Anthony Allen. Welcome here to the Anthony Allen YouTube channel. If you've clicked on this video, then most likely you're going to be interested in the other videos that I have in my online money playlist. So don't forget to smash that subscribe button before we get into today's topic in this video, and give this video a thumbs up. And now that you've subscribed, let's walk you through where to get this referral code so you can earn up to $100 today. Let's go. So the website we will be using for your referral code is Fiverr. I will be leaving a link in the description as well as other helpful information. Once you've clicked the link, it will take you to Fiverr, or your version in your territory of Fiverr. If not, and you're not on the right territory before you sign up, you can always check the language that you're actually visiting the website in via this icon at the bottom of the screen on the right hand side, which you can see my mouse on here. You can also select your currency by selecting this icon here and select the correct currency. Once you have the correct currency and you're on the website and you've signed up for your account, you would then scroll to the top of the page. On the top of the page, you will see your profile icon once you have signed up for an account. Your account is entirely free. You can select your profile icon. Once you've selected your profile icon, you will have a few options. You will see profile, manage requests, post a request, and refer and get up to $100. I'm going to click this now to show you more information on how this works. This will take you to the referral program, and it reads, invite friends and you both get up to $100. Introduce your friends to the easiest way to get things done. You can invite Gmail contacts directly by selecting Gmail, and you can also see that you have your invitation link. As well as your invitation link, you can also share directly on social media, for example, Facebook and Twitter. Here is the referral link. I'm going to click copy, and you should be able to do the same once you signed up for your account and navigated to this page. That has now been copied to my device's pinboard. You will also be able to do this if you're using mobile. So if you're visiting Fiverr via a mobile device, web browser, you'll be able to copy and follow along. I'm going to scroll down now and give you some more information. It says 3 easy steps. Spread the word by email or with your link via social media. Your friend signs up to Fiverr and gets 10% off their first purchase. So when people actually click through using your link, they're actually getting a discount when they buy from Fiverr after they've signed up or joined Fiverr using your link. So the incentive of clicking a referral link is you are actually getting a discount when you are using Fiverr to purchase something. That 10% discount can be pretty substantial when you're purchasing from a gig on Fiverr. And then it reads, you get 10% off their first order amount, up to $100. So for example, if the person or persons you have referred to Fiverr have signed up for an account and they're about to make a purchase, the 10% is what you will earn as a result of you referring that person as well. So for example, if something costs exactly £5, 10% of £5 would be 50 pence. So that means you can earn 50 pence of the person that has spent £5 after they have signed up using your referral link if they're making a purchase of £5 on Fiverr. So theoretically, you're earning the 10% that that person will be saving on their first order. Of course, you can work this out in your own currency. And moving down, don't let your friends waste another minute. Nobody likes to waste time. That's why Fiverr empowers entrepreneurs to connect with pros who can help them do more with less. You've experienced this power, now you can share it and earn up to $100 for every friend who signs up and makes their first order. This is where you can click the terms and conditions. It's basically going to let you know how this works, what qualifies as a referral and what doesn't qualify as a referral. And like you would with the other referral codes that I've shown you here on the Anthony Allen YouTube channel, you can then share this on social media in a message, text message or email, wherever you please, so that that person can sign up through your link and you can earn a referral reward. In this case, it's 10% off the first order that that person makes, and this can be up to $100. Of course, if you find a gig, you can try and refer directly to a gig or let that person know, hey, that service that you're looking for, it's available and you can find it on fiverr.com for so and so amount. You then become the middleman and earn a referral reward. There are many different services that you can find on Fiverr.com, for example, graphic design, digital marketing, writing and translation, video and animation, which includes video editing, music and audio, programming and tech, business services, lifestyle services, for example, well-being, modeling, acting, gaming, and more. And you can also find trending topics, for example, NFT art is currently trending, which is in the trending topics of Fiverr. Don't forget to click that link down in the description and you can get started with your referral codes today in this way as you sign up for your account. On screen right now you will see the online money playlist and other content which is tailored to you. You can click those content on the screen, but you can also click on my face to subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. You are awesome.